It's a great privilege to be here this evening. I was, a few years ago, had the enormous joy of being able to visit Somaliland and see the work that had been done there. So much work by so many people. And we're 30 years on from where so much had to be done and such sacrifices had to be made in order to be able to carve out a country that was able to offer peace, stability and opportunity for so many people. But despite the fact that we're 30 years on, the recognition and the acknowledgement of what those people did, so many people did in a nation coming together against the repression of others, that now needs to be recognised. And it is all Let's not forget that Somaliland acts as a beacon of hope, a great example of what can be achieved and what can be done. As chaos reigns around it, Somaliland stands proud as a nation that can deliver so much more. So what we have to do as politicians here in the United Kingdom is to make the arguments. And that is what we're going to do. And while we cannot stand here and promise that we can deliver, what we can promise is that we'll fight with heart and passion in order to put the argument for recognition of Somaliland and change the agenda and change Britain's view and the government's approach.